How to track Amazon orders step by step. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can track orders in Amazon step by step. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, all you have to do is open up Amazon application in your mobile device and make sure that you're signed in into your account. Once you're signed in, now you have to get to your orders. For that, you could tap on the three-line icon on the menu bar at the bottom of your home page. So once you're here, you could look for the order option. If not, head over to your profile, and now on your profile you will have your orders. So tap on see all orders, and on your orders page you have to select your orders. Find the order that you want to track. Once you tap on it or tap the order, then you will view all of the details of that orders. There, search for an option as track package and tap on the option on track package. Then you'll be able to see your shipment status, your delivery date, and also you could map tracking if the option is available. That's it. That's how you could track your Amazon orders, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.